Yams are a very nutritious and widely consumed tubercle in many countries in South America. It can be used in sweet or salty recipes and even juices and broths. They're rich in fiber, protein, vitamin C, and B-complex vitamins, so they can help you lose weight. Thanks to the large amount of fiber they possess, in addition to fighting constipation, they provide a greater sense of satiety, which makes you eat less, and lowers your glycemic index, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes, preventing you from feeling hungry more often. Increase muscle mass and energy. Yams are rich in carbohydrates that help athletes perform better during practice. The better the performance, the better the results obtained, which will result in more muscle mass. Improve heart health. Yams are rich in potassium, an important mineral for controlling blood pressure. When a person has hypertension, this forces their heart to beat harder to pump the blood efficiently, which can lead to more health problems in their future. Another great benefit is that yams are rich in vitamin B6, a nutrient that reduces the levels of homocysteine in the body, an amino acid found in stroke victims. Help fight Alzheimer's disease. Yams are great at preventing and controlling Alzheimer's because they are a great source of vitamins B6 and B9 and diosgenin, which is converted into DHEA in our body. Prevent cancer. Another benefit of the antioxidants present in yams is prevention against various types of cancer. Rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, they help protect our body against the action of free radicals, which cause mutations in our cells' DNA. Fight anemia. Because they are a great iron source, yams are good for people who suffer from anemia. In addition, they also contain copper, which helps access our stored iron so that it can be used in the synthesis of new red blood cells. Vitamin C, which helps in the absorption of iron. Vitamin B6, essential for the production of hemoglobin. And folic acid, which helps in the process of maturation of blood cells. Great, right? In order to benefit from these properties, you should eat your yams cooked, roasted, or steamed. Eating them raw increases your allergenic potential. In addition, people with kidney stones should consume it cooked, as this reduces their levels of oxalic acid. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.